Hello everybody, this is the lithium battery charger module which I ordered in AliExpress, and today I'm going to use it for the for the lithium battery. I will charge a lithium battery which I ripped out from the e-cigarettes. This is the module I ordered. Here is the 5-volt input, and there is there on the left side I connect the battery, and a little bit different than other modules. Here is load part which is separated from the battery pinouts, and this is because the protection, you must protect the lithium battery cell from under voltage discharge. Well, the lithium battery cannot be discharged below 2.4 volts or something about that. It could be permanently damaged or slightly damaged, but anyway, that's good. That's not really good for the battery. So that's why this module, there is basically three IC. You can see there's a charging IC which regulates the current and voltage. There's a specific curve for lithium batteries. This module monitors the voltage of the cell, and then there is a MOSFET who switch or turn off the battery when it's start to be discharged under 2.45 volts. Here is the assembly. There is this charging module and the lithium battery, and this lithium battery has a 3.7 volts and 370 milliampere hours, which is quite enough for small projects like small watch or something interesting, I don't know. I will try to build a headset with a built-in Bluetooth with this battery. I hope it will work. That this is for another video. I will take an old AirPods and I will place into the headsets. This would be interesting project, I think, and useful as well. Another project would be interesting, to build a combine multiple batteries together, increasing capacity of these batteries, and then use for some stuff which already has a dead battery inside. So back to this project. As you can see, I already soldered the battery, but this module particularly is different, and I was touching the leads together. Yeah, this is actually no fun. Actually, it could cause huge damage. But I have several modules I ordered. So this one is for like a power bank module. It allows me to charge the battery, and also it pumps out the voltage up to 5 volts that I can use it for some 5-volt projects. But yeah, basically, as you can see, it's quite similar the module I have previously. But yeah, and then I soldered the lithium cell close to this to this module, and then I use yeah, there is a 5-volt output. There's 5-volt input, 5-volt output, and when the battery voltage decreases and basically below 2 point something volts, 2.4, 2.5, it starts it disconnects the module, well, the output from the battery, so that the battery could be protected. Yeah, now I plug in the 5-volt power supply, and it's indicating me that it must be charged, and indeed it's true. And as you know, the lithium battery has a specific charging curve. There is constant current and constant voltage charging methods, and the first is constant current and the second one is constant voltage, if I'm not mistaken. So, and I quickly measure the voltage over the battery, and it is 3.5 volts, and it's increasing. Yeah, but unfortunately I cannot measure current in this. Then I had to wire the ampere meter in series with this module, and I think it's messing with the IC, so it's not quite easy to do. I could try, but maybe another time. Here I simply wanted to show the case where I used this module mentioned previously. This is just for testing the battery. And I have another project where I use this particular module I mentioned. I have an old Sony camera which has a battery, but there is no charger because there was charger which plugs into the battery, and I don't have it, so I just have the battery. I just have the battery and the camera. So yeah, and I use the 3D printed case in this case, the charging module, the first one I mentioned in this video, and also I use the copper tape. Yes, the battery module is called NP-BG1, and it's for Sony 8 megapixels, some kind of digital camera, but this is not important because basically it's used for any cameras today. So I cut it this copper tape in the specific width as I'm measuring here, so that I can make a little pillow that touches the battery. And I connected these pillows directly to this charging module, and I glued the charging module close to this this case. Yeah, when I have 3D printer and a lot of electronics, I can build a lot of crazy stuff and realize a lot of crazy ideas. So yeah, this is the simple use case for this IC, and I think the lot of batteries which are in a lot of cameras and gaming consoles and a lot of others are lithium batteries. So this module could be used to charge any of those batteries. So sometimes I feel like I'm selling or promoting the China products which I'm using, but of course you can buy this IC separately and build your own PCB. You don't have to specifically order this from any store or eBay or AliExpress or whatever. So, but this is of course to order already produced PCB is much more cheaper, and nowadays everybody is looking to save some money. So yeah, but it's not like I'm promoting some specific China products as I mentioned before. I just buy those modules, and I found those modules useful, and I just tell people that okay, this is okay to buy. So yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye.